if you want to use voice typing on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or 7 FE, first of all, we need to open our keyboard. So let's say I'm gonna go to Google search over here. And then in the bottom left corner, you should be able to find this microphone icon. We can tap on this icon, and if you do this for the first time, you will need to grant permissions, so we can choose while using the app. And after that, let's press again. Whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into a text. So let's give it a try again. So I want to search for something. And you might need to tap on the microphone again in order to turn it off. As you can see, the text was created based on whatever I said out loud. Now, in case it is not working for some reason, you can go to settings, so tap on this gear icon over here at the top of the keyboard in order to jump to Samsung keyboard settings. And here we can scroll down until you find voice input. So you may want to try either Samsung voice input, but if it's not working well, you can switch to Google voice typing instead. And you can also use the side button for voice input if you want to do so, of course. And you can toggle offensive words, so you can hide potentially offensive words with asterisks. And that's pretty much it. You can also find languages packs over here if needed, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.